Hello and welcome back. Today we are mastering the art of symmetry and I'm going to show you a high detail Updo feeding tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to be using a specific formula and I will begin with the center part. Then I'm going to divide each side into two equal parts the way you are seeing, and to create a center part, which is a 360 direction for all the lines to meet perfectly at the center. On each section, I'm gonna get 2 braids, okay? So today I'm not extending the tails, just use the normal braid length, which is 22 inch. So in general, we're gonna have 8 clean strands individually at the center, okay? So I'm gonna get, I'm gonna get a curve-like direction to create a center part like that and divide it into 2. So to do direct braiding, one side of the braid should be a smaller and the other side should be the double size of the first piece of braid. So here we go. I'm gonna do the direct braiding method, okay? So here we go. Yeah, so it's as simple as that. So don't forget, on each section, I'm gonna get 2 equal strands of braids. So in general, we're gonna have 8 clean strands individually at the center, okay? So stick around so that you're gonna see and learn where I'm going to start, okay? And on my previous video, I was extending the tails, okay? So I'm gonna link the video in the description so that you can get to learn the difference. And at the center, on the previous video, I was doing a knotless braiding. Unlike this one, I'm just doing direct braiding, okay? So you're gonna learn the difference. So I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, I am still here with you. Thank you so much for sticking around. So we are done with the center part and we have 8 strands of braids like that. And I'm gonna begin from the back left side of her head. And on this section, I'm gonna get 8 clean lines and do the same on the next side, okay? So I'm gonna braid several times, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then I'll grab a little bit of hair, a small section of hair, sorry, and then you braid twice. So this is the second piece of braid. You go 1 and 2, add the third piece of braid, 1 and 2, the fourth piece of braid, you go 1 and 2, the fifth piece of braid, you go 1 and 2, the sixth piece of braid, 1 and 2, the seventh piece of braid, 1 and 2. Okay, so you only you grab hair and then you feed in the braid. You grab hair and then you feed in the braid. So it's a repeat process, and you're gonna come up with something similar to this or better than mine, okay? So on this particular line, I've feed in 7 pieces of braids and all are of the same size, so put that in mind. but the remaining 7 lines I'm gonna be feeding in 10 pieces of braids, and all are the same size again, and that is how you achieve even symmetrical lines. Okay, so I do hope you understand what I'm trying to let you learn with me today. Okay, so drop a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and also leave a thumbs up. Okay, so here we go again. On the second line, I'm gonna be feeding in 10 pieces of braid. So you just begin with the natural hair, and then you start to feed in the braid. So this is the second piece of braid. Okay, you grab hair, add braid, so that is the third piece of braid. Okay, the fourth piece. Okay, the fifth piece. Okay, so you just continue until you feed in the 10 pieces of braid, and then you just continue to braid until you get to the top. Okay, so again, all are of the same size. Unlike on my previous video, I think the first 3 or 4 were smaller on size, and then I was increasing I was increasing the size of braids towards the center. Okay, so you go watch that video that I'll leave the link in the description box below, so that you can get to learn the difference. Okay, so again, I'll see you when I get to the front, and don't forget at the back here we have 2 sections. Okay, so from the left side I will have 8 lines are running to the center, and again on the next section I will have again 8 lines, and in general we're gonna have 16 clean lines at the back. And I see you when I get to the front and get to know exactly how many pieces of braids I'll be feeding into the front, and how many lines again we're gonna get from each section. So see you after this bit. Yeah, again, I am still here with you. Thank you so much for sticking around. So at the back here, we have 16 clean lines running symmetrical to the center, the way you're seeing. And now we are heading to the front, okay? So like I promised earlier, I'm gonna let you know how many pieces of braids I'm gonna be feeding in on each line, and again how many lines we're gonna get from each section, okay? So nothing has changed, okay? So at the front here, again, I'm grabbing here, and then this is the fourth piece of braid, and then the fifth piece, you go 1 and 2, the sixth piece of braid 1 and 2, and the seventh piece of braid 1 and 2, and you just continue braiding towards the center, and that is how you achieve a clean even parts, okay? So to the front here, the first section, I'm gonna get 10 lines running symmetrical to the center, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side, okay? So in general, at the front, we're gonna have 20 lines, okay? And at the back, we had 16 lines. So I do hope I'm not confusing. And yeah, so if you've been struggling with spacing or making your feedings look even, I'm very sure by the end of this video you're gonna learn something, and I'm really taking my time to guide you step by step, because this is actually what you needed. still here with you. Thank you so much for sticking around and catching up with me up to this point so that you can get to understand what I was trying to let you learn with me today. Okay, so I'm gonna use a thread to tie all the tails in one and just create a simple band the way you're seeing. And I'm gonna use this castor oil with coconut to just add, to moisturize the scalp. I do have this sheen spray to add shine for the finish look. And yeah, so this is what I have achieved, and this is so beautiful, simple and clean. I wish you luck on your trial. So yeah, see you in the next video.